after performing on the first run?
Oh my gosh, nakaka-nervous sobra, but I feel great. I'm so happy. Honestly, I'm just happy that I was a part of this. When I found out that they were doing this, I didn't even know na I was going to be a part of it. Ang nakita ko lang yung post ni Isa. And I was like, grabe yung swerte naman niya. And then they ended up calling me for this project and I was like, yes, I will do it. I'll work it out somehow, yung schedule, no matter what. Basta I want to be a part of it because it's just, I feel like it's such an honor and a privilege and a once-in-a-lifetime, opportunity. And yun, I'm just extremely happy, honored, and proud.
Buti na isingit mo, no? In spite of the bridges of love.
Kasi kahit na this was really an important project to me and super special talaga. So I just said, I hope we can make Direct Freddy Santos, of course, Tito Louie Ocampo, and of course, Sir Ben Cab. Lalong-lalo na siya. Sana maging masaya siya talaga sa nagawa namin sa
First reaction mo nung in-offer sa'yo yung eto?
Yes, excited talaga. Like, I can't believe it. I was like, wow, I was just reading about that. Naiinggit pa ako. Yun pala, I'm gonna end up being a part of it. So, I feel so blessed and happy to have been a part of this.
How long did you practice everything?
Not much, actually. We didn't have much time. Medyo yung oras namin kulang. Pero, everybody's a pro. Everybody's a professional. So, we all work together. And here we are.
When was the last time you did yung musical play?
I did Grease last November. Last year lang, a few months ago, end of last year, and with Nine Works Theatrical.
What can you say about the whole thing na nangyari?
Every play is different. Grease, kids having fun, and the story is completely different. This is a little more serious and dramatic. So, every musical experience is different. You play different characters. Here, the female singers sort of played Sabelle somehow, but, we were kind of the voice of Isa in terms of singing. But, Isa, my gosh, they couldn't have chosen a more perfect Sabelle talaga. Grabe. She really is, one of a kind. Amazing talaga si Isa. And no one can really go up to par to her level.
Did you have a choice? You want to become an actress on a teleserye or a movie or like at least some musical play?
Mahirap, because I love singing and I love, acting as well. So, hopefully I can enjoy the best of both worlds as much as I can.
So, tuloy-tuloy na yung paggawa ng mga musical play?
Hopefully. At least once a year.
Thank you, Antoinette.
Thank you.